Hey guys, welcome back to Cemu 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with just a simple update video for Fatal Frame 5 Maiden of the Black Water for the PC. Now, last video I told you guys that I no longer had access to somehow getting the game to run properly at 30 FPS. There will be a slow motion issue with it. Whenever you try to run the game, they have come up with a patch as of yesterday, I believe, which now fixes that issue. So we no longer have to worry about keeping it to 60 FPS, and below 30 it will also be smooth without being slow-mo. But I'll show you guys in a moment. Just bear with me one moment. Let's get into some gameplay and let's see what happens next. I will leave the link in the description below for you to download the update files. It's a simple copy and paste.
Be sure to stay on your guard. Go on. And head inside.
So normally when you go over 60 FPS, because it's tied to your monitor, it normally would go crazy. As you can see here, it's running quite fine without any issue at the 75 FPS, because that's my monitor's refresh rate. Then I drop it down to 30, and it still runs the same at the 30 FPS. So it is playable now at 30 FPS, which means potato graphics, guys, you guys are in luck. Just to be fair though, I will do a video showing you guys that it runs on the potato PC as well, because I know you guys enjoyed that video. Just showing, because at least it's probably going to be a hell of a lot more playable now at 30 FPS. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Now please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. This was just an update video. The real video will come later on today.